Hi guys and welcome to PhotoMaster Studios. Today we are going to create this logo using Corel Draw and I'm going to teach you step by step how to create this logo. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. First we need to create the artboard. Then we need to get the text, which is Think AI. As we got the text, we'll make it a little bigger. Now to bring this text inside the box, we'll hold shift, we'll select both of it, then we'll press C, which will bring it to the center, and we'll press E, which will bring it to the middle. Now that's properly aligned, select it again and then select the font. Okay, so we have selected our font. Now again select both and press C and press E and to realign it. As we have got it, now what we'll do is we'll right click it and select Control to Curves. Now as we have selected our font, we'll right click to it and select Convert to Curves. As you can see, this has become a curve now. We'll again right click it and we'll break the curve apart so that every letter becomes a separate entity. Now what we'll do is we'll remove these, we'll recreate some of it. As you can see, the height of the edge is not properly done. So what we are going to do is we are going to magnify to the selected area and then select it. We'll select the 2 points as you can see and then we'll drag it upwards. Now we'll select F4 and then we'll do the same here as well. If you're not sure about the height, what you can do is you can select on the ruler here and bring out a ruler, which will give you the exact height you should bring it to. Now select each and every letter so that you can bring the height to the same. As you can see, both the eyes are a little bit down. So what we are going to do is we are going to bring it here. We are going to bring it down until we touch the line. We'll do the same here as well. Now there's another problem. The thing is the main stem of the eye and the dot has a very big gap. So now what we'll do is we'll take this ruler and now we'll bring it down here. And what we have to do is we have to bring it exactly on top of this so that it becomes properly aligned. Now press F4 and select each item at once and then increase the vertical height. As you can see, we cannot increase the height here because this stem and these are not properly aligned. So what we'll do, we'll again select the shape tool and we'll select these two and then we'll increase the height. Then we'll select these and then we'll bring it here. And at last we'll normally increase the height here. As you can see, looks very well. This looks very well now, and we can what we can do is we have removed the ruler, and now our main part is ready. So now what we're gonna do is, as this is a minimalistic font and a minimalistic logo is our main concern here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this part. What we have done is we have removed those points, and now instead of making them a curve, we are gonna make them a straight line so that it becomes filled. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna bring a magnifying glass icon which we have downloaded earlier and gonna place it right here. As you can see, nothing is visible here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to trace the bitmap into a clipart. This is a very cool feature of Corel Draw, which helps us to create vector files from the images. Make sure the images has clear boundaries before using it. Now we're going to remove that PNG and we're going to make it a single curve. We're going to ungroup it, and now we're going to change color of it to see how it looks. If you want to turn it, just click on this. You can also right align it and increase the size a little bit here so that it gives a good look and a good illusion. Press F4 to see how it looks. If you are happy with the result, what you can do is, now our basic logo shape is ready. So now we have created our shape, and now it's time to give it a color combination. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go to the layers panel and select all the layers which are of our logo. Then we are going to go press Ctrl and L, which is going to make it a single vector file. We are going to realign it, and now what we're going to do is select the background rectangle, give it a color from here. Then we are going to go and select the logo file, and we are going to give it a color here. We are going to delete these, and this is how, my friend, we create a typography based minimalistic logo. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what next type of logo design would you like to see. Thank you.